Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Allure. So this is $15 a month. If I'm wrong, I'll put it on the screen. They've changed over the months. I've only been getting this for a couple of months, but I've noticed that they've changed their packaging. I really miss the little bags that they put in here, but open it up and this is what I see. Okay, and this does tell you on the inside, it tells you how much everything is worth in the large size or in the regular size. So this is what I see, and I open it up. Ooh, looks like we have some full-size products this month, so that's cool. So the first thing I am pulling out is by Peter Thomas Roth, and it is Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. And I actually do have this and I do like it, so I will be keeping this. The full size retails for $52. I believe it. I've only ever had this in this packaging, but I know it's pretty expensive, so let's see what's next. The next thing I am pulling out is, it looks like a lipstick by Tarte, and it's a Color Splash lipstick in Rouge. Miami Vice is the color name, and I'm assuming this is a full size, and it retails for $21. Let's take a peek, shall we? Without ripping the box. Ooh, that's really super pretty packaging. I'm gonna open it. I don't know if I'm going to, oh, that's such a pretty color. So it is a very beautiful red. I'm probably gonna end up keeping it, but just in case, I don't wanna swatch it, but it is really, really super pretty. I mean, that's just absolutely beautiful. And the packaging is so pretty. So that's cool. I'm probably gonna keep that. Not 100% sure, but probably. The next thing I am pulling out is this Freeze 24/7, and it is an anti-aging eye serum. Ooh, interesting. And it retails, ooh, oh, holy crap. This retails for $115, the large size does. Let's see, does this thing clean my house? There are a few criteria for an eye cream to be effective in my book. It must be absorbed quickly, because I only have so much patience for tapping with my weakest finger. That's funny. It must dry without being greasy or slimy, and it must moisturize the delicate and sensitive skin around my eyes. Now, should it do a little something about those lines I've been noticing in the corners of my eyes? Well then, it's an eye cream all-star. Freeze 24/7 anti-aging eye serum with its generous helping of glycerin, aloe, something that I can't pronounce, and it nails all the above. And it goes one step further. It plays very nicely with my makeup. Okay, so I'm probably going to keep this and try it out, because this promises lots of wonderful things. So we shall see. The next thing I am pulling out is Clean Sweep by Curology. Oof. So it comes in a package that looks like this, and it retails for $19.95. What is it? It's a cleanser. Okay. So it's a sample size, and the full size retails for $19.95. Okay, so this is just a cleanser. I will probably pass this along. The next thing I am pulling out is Poreless Putty Primer. I've heard about this stuff by e.l.f., and that looks like it's a full size. And it retails for $8. Let's see. This primer glides onto the skin, creating the perfect canvas for makeup. Okay, so quick story. I used to actually really like e.l.f. primers, and then when I found the Hangover primer by Too Faced, then I just never went back, and I gave all of my e.l.f. primers to my daughter, cruelty-free and vegan. So I don't know, I'm probably just going to pass this along to one of you guys because I am pretty stuck in my primer, but I do remember that I did like e.l.f. primers when they came in like the bottles or whatever. I've never seen it like in this sort of packaging, but and it did work really good with my sensitive skin. So there is that little tidbit of information if you guys are interested, but I will pass that along to one of you. And the last thing I am pulling out, this feels kind of heavy for what it is, Bliss. That's Incredible Peel. Spa Strength Glycolic Resurfacing Pads to smooth and brighten. Okay, that's cool. And this retails for $19.99 for a box of 15. How many's in here? Okay, and there are 5 in here. I will keep these. These are good for travel. So that is cool. I enjoyed this box this month. It's one of, well, I can't say one of, I haven't been getting it for very long. But it is one of the better boxes, and I'm really glad that I decided to keep Allure over Beauty Fix. So I am keeping the Peter Thomas Roth moisturizer. I am keeping the Freeze 24/7 because I'm super curious. I may or may not be keeping the Tarte lipstick. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful color. Just up my alley, but I don't know. I do have a lot of lipsticks, so maybe someone else can benefit. I don't know. We'll figure it out. And then I'm going to keep these, and then I will be passing along the primer and the cleanser. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day.